Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we are doing a duck ramen with the duck stock we did in the previous episode. So enough talking and let's cook this. The ingredients for this recipe are duck breast, kombu, shiitake, mirin, soy sauce, egg, ginger, scallion, chili, homemade duck stock, bok choy, fish cake, fresh noodle, and nori. Alright, for the eggs now, we need to take the bottom part of the egg and make a little hole in it. And you can use a pin to do this, or just like this. We will put those eggs in the boiling water for 6 minutes to have a nice runny egg yolk in the middle. Just put it gently like this so the eggs are not shocked in the hot water and the shell will not crack. So while the eggs are boiling, let's prepare the marinade for those eggs. We will use dark soy sauce, maybe 1 cup, depending on the number of egg you're doing. I'm doing 12, so I need more marinade. Marinade. And this is Mirin. You can find this in your local Asian market. Put about the same amount as the soy sauce. A brown sugar, maybe half a cup, and just a dash of sesame oil for flavor. Yeah, that will do. And we mix that. Alright, so now it's time to put those eggs here in a ice bath to stop the cooking process right away. And if you break the shell in the water like this, the water will infiltrate the eggs and it will be easier to peel afterwards. Alright, so let's peel those eggs and be careful, the middle is still runny. Don't want to break it. Alright, so peel all your eggs like this and then we'll pour the marinade on it. Now with the marinade, we will top this with the equal amount of water in this because it's very concentrated. And we will cover the eggs just like this. And we need to put a paper towel on top just like this, so all of the surface of the egg will be marinated. And to make sure it's evenly coated, maybe once or twice just roll it like this. So if you have eggs that touch the plastic, it will roll around and be beautiful. Let's put this in a fridge for 4 to 12 hours. Here I have 2 nice duck breasts that I will put in the water for about 20 minutes just to remove the impurity on it, and then we will bat those in the marinade. 20 minutes later, as you can see, the water is all dirty. That's good because we don't want this in the marinade. So let's just rinse that water quickly. Pour the rest of the marinade on this. Make sure it covers it all. So same thing, just cover here this I will just put this in so it add weight on it, and all the duck will be in the marinade. So have a nice bath and see you in about 12 hours. In the fridge you go. Now we will work on the aromatic oil. So here I'm peeling ginger and finely grate the ginger. We don't need too much. Like this it will be enough. Here we have duck fat. For the aromatic oil you can also use vegetable oil. It will do the trick. Since we are doing duck ramen, I think the duck fat will be a great addition of flavor in it. We will put the ginger in. Put the scallion in the saucepan. And for the chili, don't forget to put gloves while you are prepping those. Once I cut chilies without gloves and before going to bed I removed my contact lenses. Oh, that was super fun. So this will spice up a little bit the aromatic oil and finely dice the chili. In they go. I don't know if you guys remember, we did duck stock a couple episodes previously. I will put a link just here if you didn't see this. So this is the result of that duck stock. You can see it's very concentrated. So this will be the stock for our ramen. So about the same quantity of water than the stock if your stock is very concentrated. For the tari, we will need the shiitake mushroom and the kombu leaves. Those will have to soak in water overnight. I did it previously, so here they are. So after soaking, they will be nice and flexible like this instead of this. And also the mushroom will be undried. Okay, so let's discard this water. I'm making a pee-pee. In this, we will put the kombu and the shiitake mushroom, and we will add half a cup of mirin. Voila. And 2 cups of soy sauce. 1 and can I have more soy sauce, please? Gracias. And 2. Let's put this on medium heat until we get a simmer. So it's time to remove the kombu and to leave the shiitake mushrooms. And now we will boil this. The reason we remove the shiitake, no, the reason we remove the kombu is because if you boil the kombu, you will have an unpleasant flavor that will come out of this. So this is why we only boil with the shiitake mushroom. I could not find my strainer, so I will use this. Hope I don't make a mess. Yeah, it worked. Okay, the tare is ready now after 5 minutes boiling with the shiitake mushroom. Remove the shiitake mushroom. Et voila. Beautiful. This is the duck breast we marinated. I will just cut the fat like this so it will render nicely. We will cook those duck breasts on the fat side. Let's render this fat. Will cook in his own fat juice like this. All right, it's time to flip the duck and see we have a really nice char on this. Ho ho ho! It's look beautiful. Woohoo! Okay, it's time to look at our eggs. Whoa! Runny egg! Yay! The meat need to calm down, cool down, rest. The meat.
Calm down.
Calm down, meat. What I was saying. Okay, the meat need to rest before we cut it, just like a steak. Duck is not different for it, so the juice can all take their place back inside the breast. We put the tare in the bowl, just a tiny bit. We put the aromatic oil. We need the broth and the noodles in the bowl. They go. Get some bok choy. Blanch it really quick. Cut one of the soft-boiled egg closer together. Yeah, like this. Okay. Take the fish cake. Let's prepare some scallions and the nori sheet. We will put this at the very end so it doesn't get super soaky. Soaky? Soaky. Salt. Ooh, this is how I like the cook of a duck breast. So, the scallions, the nori sheet. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, please leave a like on the video. It makes a big difference for our channel. See you in the next episode.